Welcome back. Security personnel are in news yet again. The security staff of the GMC newly recruited under GHRDC held a protest on Tuesday outside GMC complex. The workers are unhappy with the salary deduction in name of Provident Fund. Their salaries are being delayed and the order letter is also in duplicate.
11,284 रुपये आमकां ग्रॉस आसली सो कट जावन आमकां 9,500 इन कॅश इन हँड सांगलेले आतां आमकां ते 8,378 रुपीज दिता हातीन सगळें डिडक्ट करून पूण ते आमकां तेणी प्रोविडंट फंड म्हणून सांगला पूण आमकां डिटेल कांय दिवंक ना अजून.
The workers complained that their salaries are delayed by several days and the order letter provided is also in duplicate.
आमकां डिटेल अजून कांय दिवंक ना तेंच्यांनी आनी दुसरें म्हणजे सांगपाचें म्हणजे आमकां तेंचे बाबा हे तुमच्या बाबा 9:30च्यान कितले मायनस जाता हे हांगासर कितें मेन्शन करूं ना आनी ऑर्डर सुद्दां दिला ती डुप्लिकेट दिला पळय.
On the other side, some of security guards under Goa Recruitment and Employment Society are still agitating at Kampal Parade Ground for government's failure to settle their issue. Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Pink was the color. Centuries-old tradition Gulal was celebrated at Zambaulim on Tuesday with fervour and joy. This is one of the traditional events of Damba. People, especially youth, enjoy this festival. Have a look.
श्री लक्ष्मी नारायण महाराज की श्री रामनाथ दामोदर महाराज की
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.